Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would do a Felicity Jane unboxing. This is for the August kit, and the August kit is Tori. So it always comes beautifully packaged like this, and I swear these bows are always so perfect. But this month we got a free gift. It's Felicity Jane's birthday, and it says, let's see, birthday sale is going to be August 22 to 26. Ooh, I can't wait to do the sale. And then it comes with Tori and a traveler's notebook. Isn't that awesome? Okay, so let's go ahead and do the unboxing. I love these ribbons. Okay, we'll start with the papers. Oh, I love these papers. Look at that. I like this like peach pink color. And this is the paper pack. And I always cut these out here. Cut those out there to make little layering pieces. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. I didn't buy 2 sets of paper this time because I am trying to go through some other stuff that I have purchased. So let's look at this. Okay, so this is a paper pack. I usually cut this out and fussy cut this scallop. And this is for the month of August. Let's go through the solids first. It's the pretty mint and then the forest green. Oh, this bright coral color and the lighter coral color. Those are pretty. Then I love these flowers. I'll probably end up fussy cutting this. Oh, but that's fun too. What to do, what to do. Can't wait to use that. Oh, that's fun. This is called the confetti. And then this is a grid. This is always great as like a solid background color, but I'll probably use it to layer. These are fun stripes and dotted rows. Whoa. And then here are some spots and flowers. Oh, these are so pretty. That's gonna make a great layering piece. Oh, look at this one. I'm gonna have to use this as a background. Look at these scallops. I wish I could stitch on these perfectly. That would be fun. Scallops and stripes. Oh, this is pretty too. Oh no, which side am I gonna use? Oh no, a dilemma. And then this one is the mustard. I love mustard. Stitching and chevron. Oh, that's fun. These are wonky. So those are the papers. Now the kit only comes with 1 alpha, but I always buy 2 more because I run out of letters when I'm doing titles. So these are puffy stickers, the Tori alphas. Oh, look at it. It comes with all these die cut alphabets. I'm not going to take all these out, but oh, there's plenty of letters. Oh, good. We have 3 birthdays in our family in August, so I want to use this for their birthdays, for their birthday layout. So there's that. And it always works out because they give a birthday stamp for August, and with the 3 birthdays, this is going to be awesome. Happy birthday, surprise, it's your special day, happy, 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 celebrate. I love this cake. I'm going to have to remember to use different stamps for that instead of just using the black that I normally use. So that's perfect. This is not part of the kit, but I always get the Felicity Jane girl stamp. This is Tori. I love her 2 little poofs. It comes with this die cut shape, these die cuts. Let's see. I always love the Tori girl, but it has a banner, party banner, make a wish. Oh, look at how cute this is. I'm gonna have to use that on my daughter's birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Chapter 8. These die cut flowers, ticket stubs, little banners, little photo corners, the starburst or confetti as she calls them. So that'll be fun to use. celebrate. So there are those, the die cut pieces, and of course the Tori girl is my favorite. Let's put those there. Oh, it comes with these epoxy dot stickers. Wow, and they're like pearlized. Can you see that? That is awesome. Oh, can't wait to use these. It did come with the journaling cards, and I like to use these in Project Life. Look at how pretty that flower is. And on the back, they always have some kind of grid or something so that you can use the back. So it's the flowers, this grid, the stripes. I love these, like the library cards, gingham, polka dots, today. This is great for titles, details, stripes, polka dots, and hooray. It also came with these Tori puffy stickers. Oh, I love these little bows. I wish she had these bows, more of these bows. Probably should have bought more of this. Maybe she'll have them on sale, but I'm excited to use that. And lastly, she has this mustard polka dot washi tape, and it goes perfectly. Look at that. So I'm excited to use that. So there you have it. That is the Felicity Jane Tori kit unboxing. I should start using this kit this weekend, so you should be seeing process videos coming up soon. Thank you so much for watching. I'll have a link to Felicity Jane's website, and if you're interested in the subscription, go ahead and click on that to start your Felicity Jane kits coming in. They're beautiful, and I always have an easy time killing the kits, so that means it's very usable, which I love. So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.